How to check Google Antigravity Quota and limits or usage limits. So I will show you both options. One is simple anti-gravity and one is Antigravity IDE for developers. So for the classic one, you need to open settings in left down corner area and here go to models, and here you will find model quota and all your limits, your usage. I got 100% of each one. I don't have a pro version. So this is the first option how you can do it. And if you open Antigravity IDE, you can open your settings in right up corner area here, editor specific settings, and open Antigravity IDE user settings. And this is quite the same like before. On the left, go to models, and here you can see all your models quota, and it says within each group models shares a weekly limit. So these Gemini models, if you hover your mouse on this little info, it includes Gemini Flash, Gemini Pro, and down here Claude and GPT models, it includes Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, GPT OSS. Also, if you cannot find these settings in the right upper corner area, you can go down here in the right down corner area, Antigravity settings and advanced settings, and it's gonna open you these. And again on the left, go to models, and here you can find model quota. So it was simple as that. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.